In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable LED effect when receiving notification on any Android phone. Simply go on Play Store, install this application Edge Lightning LED Border Light by Max Labs. I have already installed it, so I will simply open it. Select your language from here. Tap on Tick. Now tap on Next. Allow the permissions. Tap on OK. Tap on Edge Lightning application. Tap on this toggle to give the permissions. Now go back. Simply skip it. Now tap on Edge Lightning. Here you get multiple options, 2 colors, 3 colors, and here you get color palettes. If you scroll down more, here you get border types, this one, this one, this one. I am selecting the default one. Here you get some more customization. Now if you want to enable the notch LED light notification, then simply tap on this toggle. You scroll down, customize it as it is already in center. Now this is looking good. Simply go back, skip the advertisement, scroll down, tap on this toggle, show when notification arrive. Scroll down more, select the application you want to show. For example, I want to show this LED effect on the Chrome notification, so I will select Chrome from here. Now go back, and from here you can select the notification duration. I am doing it 10 seconds. So this is how you can enable LED effect when receiving notification on any Android phone. If this video helps you, like this video and subscribe the channel.